Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to this beautiful channel. This week for my nail tutorial, I'm going to do something bright and sunny, inspired by the summertime. This is really hot nowadays. So sit back and relax and continue watching. Before you do, go down below and subscribe to my channel. Hit that great notification bell so you'll be notified for the other videos that I do, and like this video, share this video, and sit back and relax. Let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh.
So to get started with this nail tutorial, after applying your base coat, you want to apply 2 coats of the white and 2 coats of the blue. So change of plans. On the index finger, pinky, and thumb, I'm going to just do 1 coat of white, where on the wedding finger and middle finger, I'm going to do 2 coats of the blue. And side note, if you want to have the exact colors that I use, it's all in the description box down below, and where the links there where you can get them all. And so yeah, check out the description box down below for all the information that you need, because it's all down there. So go check it out. Once the blue is dried a little bit, I'm going to add a metallic finish of LA Colors on top to give that little glitter effect on it. So that's the next step before I do the ombre. Once those 2 colors are kind of dry, you want to start off with the white nails, which is the index finger, pinky, and thumb. On those fingers, lately I have been doing a lot of ombre, so today I'm going to do another ombre, and do an ombre of the brown into yellow more into the tip, the brown color, skin color, tone shade, near the cuticle, and then fade into each other. Now we're going to use this makeup sponge to do a easy, simple ombre, and yeah, use this side or any side that you feel comfortable with. Okay, so once you got the ombre nails done, to bring in the colorful, bright summer look to the nail, that I thought would be fun to do is to draw 2 little friendly cartoonish owls on the middle finger and wedding finger. So for the owls, you want to start off with 2 horizontal lines to make look like branches. And then you want to apply the owls on top. You can see here how I do the owls. One's going to be like a boy owl, one's going to be like a girl owl. And yeah, just watching this and see. These owls are pretty easy and not too hard. Both owls are done, you can put leaves onto the branches of your tree. Once you got the ombre done, you want to apply just 2 to 3 little black nail beads, as you see here, and at the end by the cuticle in the brown section to finish off the ombre nails. All the nails should be done, and you want to apply the clear top coat, which I have the Pro Effects quick drying high gloss top coat. So you want to apply that layer on there of that dreaminess and see all that getting sealed and wonderful. Once you have all that sealed and it's great, and then you've accomplished your summer inspired nails and it's bright and great, yeah, you'll be done. Okay, you guys, what do you think about this summer nail tutorial? I thought it was awesome, and so go give your comments down below and tell me how you thought about it, and if you have any suggestions what you want to see next week, go comment down below. Do your thing down in the comments, and yeah, so if you haven't already subscribed at the beginning, once again subscribe to my channel and give this YouTube video a like, and yeah, share it as well and be a star, and yeah, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.